So how do you run a title search on real estate in Pennsylvania? This is Dave at AFX Title, Certified Title Abstractors. If you're running a title search on real estate in Pennsylvania, it's basically a 5-step process. What you do is you start out by identifying the county where the property is located. So if you have a street address, let's say it's in Yardley, that would be in Bucks County. So you're going to go to the Bucks County recording venues, and there's going to be 4 different places you need to go to. First will be the tax assessor's office. In the tax assessor's office, you'll find out the name of the person who is paying the real estate tax for that property. Now, you might presume that's the owner, and in many cases it is, but you have to double check that at a later step. We'll get to that in a minute. Once you've determined the name on that tax account, the next thing you'll do is look at the tax amount. Verify that the taxes are paid, there's no delinquencies, and there's no upcoming special assessments which may raise the taxes on that property in upcoming years. From there, you're going to go over to the Clerk Recorder of Deeds. The deed recorder will have a name index where you can run that name to see every single document that's ever been recorded with that name on it. There'll be deeds, liens, mortgages, releases, assignments, many other types of documents that you'll have to retrieve. Once you've gathered up all those documents, and the way that you find those is by looking at the name index for the book and page number, and then going down the rows of books on the bookshelves and pull out that book, flip to that page, there's your document. From there, you're going to go to the civil court records. The civil court records or pathonetary office will have things like judgments and other claims against a person. Even IRS tax liens will show up here. If you skip this step and only look at the land records, you may miss important judgments or claims against a property that could attach by statute. You're going to run the name index there, use that same document retrieval process. Next step is to go to the probate court to find if there's any things like divorce records, death notices, or even conservatory issues where another person may have authority to sign for that property, like a power of attorney. Once you've gathered up all those records, then you can go through and do abstracting, where you match up one document with another to see if a mortgage has been released or assigned to another lender, to see if a deed has been superseded by selling to another party. Once you're done with that, you'll be able to tell in very clear terms what is the status of that property. If you have had a certified title abstractor do that research and prepare that for you, you'll end up with a certified title abstract document, which is like what you see on the screen. That is the official document of a title search. It doesn't appear in any land records or any public records. It's created by a private company for a client to show them what the status of a title on a property is. If you do have questions about running a title search on real estate or retrieving records in general, you can reach us at our website at titlesearch.com.